Hey guys, I'm at Dr. Chase Lay's office with Nurse Practitioner SieYeon, and she is giving me a full face rejuvenation basically. So I'm super excited and stay tuned for more. Oh my god.
You're seeing this is the lidocaine with epinephrine. So
Okay.
It's a little bit light there.
Yeah, but it looks
That's
way
the numbing.
straighter.
But it's a little bit straight. And I'm going to put just a little bit more this way.
Okay.
And then it's giving you a point this way so your focus isn't here. But,
Yeah.
you know, it does this and then you won't be so focused on it.
Okay. Yeah, it looks so good. Matches the other side like so much better now.
Yay.
Yay! Wow.
See, I just contoured it this way so if there's no shadow like this.
Amazing. Yeah. Super pretty.
So we just finished injecting Voluma on our gorgeous patient, Olivia. We wanted to sharpen her profile, even though she's got a beautiful profile to begin with. So we went ahead and used the cannula method, and we enhanced her cheeks a little bit, and then we enhanced her chin and her jawline. So what do you think?
I absolutely love it. I feel bright and refreshed. I love what she did to my nose. I love the shape of my lips. Honestly, the jawline I was super shocked at because it is so sharp and it makes the biggest difference. So I absolutely love it. She never disappoints. So I'm super excited and happy with everything. Thank you. Oh my god.
Wow, that's crazy cool. And
Oh
here's your
my
nose.
god. I didn't realize it was going to be like that big of a difference. It looks so good. Oh my god. I love it. You are amazing.
Thank you.
Every time.
Thank
It's perfect. Hey Hey guys, I'm here with nurse practitioner SieYeon. Just came for a touch up on my lips, a little bit more on my nose, and I'm loving how it looks. So she and I have been working together for about 9 months to achieve these goals of mine. You have to add on each time, but it's definitely worth the wait and I absolutely love the results.